rainy morning. Yan. Nakaplano na kasi yung lakad namin, hindi na pwedeng i-delay. Saka pa umulan. Isang linggo na namang mag-uulan nito. Grabe na may weather. Oh. Pero mas worse yesterday, 'di ba? 100% ang rain kahapon. Ngayon nasa 50% na lang. Pero still, paano tayo makapag-picture and aura-aura? Good morning, guys. Maulan na Monday today. Good morning. Ate, good morning. Yan. So, we will have another long drive today. May road trip na naman tayo, guys. Kaya lang, maulan pero blessing yan. Diba, Daddy? Sabi nila pag umuulan is a blessing. So, have a blessed Monday for our travel today. And, so, sama kayo guys sa aming long drive. And tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakapunta. And maganda yung pupuntahan natin for today. I'm sure mag-enjoy ang babing kahit na umuulan. See you later! Guys, my baby will show you her cone. Can you show what's the name of your food? Choconi? Choconi. But it's salted caramel filled wafer cones. Yeah. So, before we continue, of course, magkakape muna. Dadaan tayong kape at daan tayo ng church. Look guys, ang ulan. Ang ulan pa rin, but it's a blessing. Hindi namin sinama yung baby ni Baby Amber kasi hindi siya pwede dun sa pupuntahan namin. Next time na lang siya kasama. She's okay naman sa bahay. God bless us, Lord. And so guys, dadaan muna tayo ng coffee and breakfast. Dito tayo sa Teams. Kasama ko si ate kasi hindi ko mabuhat yung coffee. Dito ka ate. Ay. Order muna kami. Yan guys, nakabili na tayo ng breakfast. 2 bacon grilled cheese. Malaki ito eh, kaya hati-hati na lang kami. Grabe naman ang ulan. Oy! The food na agad. Gutom na yung baby namin. Kailangan niya na ng breakfast. Wait! Okay. Dali lang guys. Long drive. Ito siya. So, mag-pray muna tayo, guys. Bless us, Lord God. Mama Mary. Jesus Christ.
Turn right. At the stop sign, turn left onto Mill Woods Road Northwest.
And guys, maulan naman ang aming biyahe, but it's okay. It's a blessing from the Lord. kami sa aming biyahe. So, tingnan natin saan tayo pupunta. It's a surprise.
My school.
Oh, baby preschool.
In 700 meters,
Happy
turn
last
right
day,
onto
classes.
23rd Avenue
Last day
Northwest.
nyo na palang into breathe.
Hindi, meron pa bukas. Look at this, guys. Can you see that? Wow. So guys, ito ang biyahe namin. Medyo, sabi naman, medyo okay naman na mamaya sa Calgary. Hindi na siya, medyo titila naman na daw yung ulan. So, it's going to Wetaskiwin. Ate, ito din, may daan din pala dito.
Red deer. Pa-red deer tayo.
Oo, Red Deer tayo. Yan yung, babe, pag nahanap mo yung dyan sa Red Deer, yung kainan na sinasabi mong gusto mong kainan ulit. Ayan, medyo tumila naman na dito, guys. Sana, hopefully, mag-okay na siya. Unlike yesterday, 100% cut this time. Ang alarm ni Daddy, eh. Hindi pa siguro umaano yung mga canola oil. Hindi pa siguro nag-bloom na Kia. Anong araw ba tayo nung nagpunta ng Sylvan Lake, di ba? Nung nagpa-Sylvan Lake tayo, talagang nag-bloom na yung mga canola. Oo, summer time. Ito mga to. Wala lang. Ano ba ito mga to? Tindahan or? Ay, hindi. Advertisement lang. Signage. And guys, it's our second long drive for this year. So nakita nyo sa mga previous vlogs namin sa Drumheller kami nagpunta bandang south. Ngayon naman another long drive. Hopefully ma-enjoy nyo din manood sa aming vlog. Even if it's raining, i-enjoy natin yan. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Guys, more skate manufacturing. So, ano kaya yun? Oh my God. Lang iba. Alam mo na. So, saan na tayo? Medyo umuupa naman na yung ulan. Kanina malakas doon sa bandang paglampas ng Edmonton. Marami ng kainan. Kaya lang, kailangan namin tumaan ng Walmart kasi si ate nagmumuryot. Kailangan niyang pumili ng SD card for her camera. Dito na yata tayo sa ano? Pa-Red Deer na kami, guys. Hindi alam ba? Saan na ba tayo? Dito na tayo sa Ponoka. Ay, hindi. Doon pala yung way. So, hindi na natin alam saan na ba tayo. Highway 2S na kami, guys.
Highway 2S pa rin.
Pa rin kami. For 280 kilometer kanina, no? Highway 2S. Tapos, ayun. May knockout na tayong isa. Kasi gusto niya mag-iPad lang siya, guys. Hindi pwede. Pinatulog.
54 kilometers pa.
So, meron pa kaming 190.
54 to Red Deer.
54 kilometers to
Red Deer.
Red Deer. Kasi daan kami ng Walmart.
Mauuna pang isang bayan, 30 kilometers. Ano yun, nakalimutan ko eh.
Ayan, guys, look at this view. Napaka-virgin lang kung ano dito. Lugar sa Canada. Ang sarap tingnan. Maganda sana yun kung sunny na, oh. It's actually sunny. It's actually summer na sana eh. Nag-uulan. Late naman yung ulan ni spring. Marami siyang ulan ngayong taon, guys. Tsaka straight siya ng 1 week, ganun. Unlike last year, isang araw, 2 araw, ganun lang ngayon. Ini-straight niya ng 1 to 2 weeks ang ulan. Well, anyways, Alberta is unpredictable. has unpredictable weather. But we're loving it. Ayun, parang patubo na yung mga ano, no? Maganda na sana, baka by June, July, or I mean, July, August, patubo na yung mga canola oil. Maganda na siyang tingnan dyan. Ewan kung dito yun. Pero alam ko buong ganyan na, di ba ate? Maraming canola oil. Hindi ko alam sure kung saan banda. Kasi nung nag-travel kami ng mga July or August, di ko na maalala, 2 years ago, puno na ng yellow flowers yung mga yan. Bulaklak ng canola. Bagay may iba pa naman tayong lakad ng mga susunod na linggo. So hopefully magdire-diretso ng mag-sunny days. Enjoy natin ang summer. Kasi ilang saglit lang yan, tapos puro snow na naman. Mahaba pa yung biyahe natin. So mga almost 2 hours pa papuntang pupuntahan. Later again. Mga oil pump. Pang-pump ng oil. Naka-ready. Have you seen? Kumakalma ng araw. Ay, kumakalma na ang ulan. Gusto ko yan, babe.
Yan bagay sa yan.
In the future, bibigay ni Lord
Hindi
yan.
yan. Yung isa na lang, cross-track na lang. Outback yan. 4 na kasi yung mga yan.
Ikaw lang, sapat na. And so guys, baba lang kami ng Walmart at may problema si ate. Alam nyo naman. Bili kami ng SD card niya at yung SD card niya hindi gumagana. Iihi na din. P-break. Lamig ah. Can you get my jacket? Wait, ano? Zip up your jacket. It's cold. Ba't di ko mabuksan? Kunin ko yung jacket. Oh, wag na ate.
Jacket ka naman.
Malamig kasi.
Eh? Kaya may pants mo kasi mahaba.
Hindi mo sinabi. Ang tagal ko na binabalak yun sa kanya pag gusto niya naka-curl sa umaga. Gaganon mo nga siya sa umaga. Yan, dito kami sa Red Deer Walmart. So, let's see. Pero ko pa ito yung dapat ko. Guys. Don't put it up like that. It's okay. Malaba ba? Sulong ba? Can you, ano? No, sige na, baba mo na.
Sabi nila, no? Turn, ano? Hold it.
That's okay na. Okay ni baby. Ito sana. So cute. Just keep on walking. Don't do that na kasi daddy folded already.
Saan niyo pa yan? Put inside your socks. Put inside your socks.
I will check if there's a pin here. We will buy. Safety pin. Na? Ayan, ang cute nito. Oh. Ay, this is cute oh. Show. So cute. Her outfit check.
Mommy,
Wow. Wait, what did you remove?
I wanna.
Ama. Tara. Bilisan natin para hindi tayo ma-delay sa daan. Ang phone ko na nga eh. Ayan, dito. Ito tayo guys. Gusto ko bumili yan. Oh, ang cute. Bray! Come on. Ayan. So, bibili lang kami guys. And then, biyahe ulit tayo later.
I wanna buy toys.
No. Come here, come here.
No, I want toys. I wanna buy toys.
later.
After you leave it,
Here. Okay, guys. Mamaya ulit, guys. Naman siya. Oh, this one, magic jellykins.
magic.
Jelly? Just add water. We don't have water, so we cannot. We're in the car, so you cannot play it. Here. You have this, right?
Yeah. Put the stuff in the wall.
How about this?
No.
This. Smoothie maker. Yeah. Toaster.
Oh, see, there's a unicorn. Look, there's a unicorn. Look.
I got this girl.
Look.
There's a ducky.
Yucky, 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 yucky.
You want that unicorn? Is how much is the unicorn? 17. You like it? What is? So what will you buy?
Oh, but you so I would just...
Yeah, plush dog. Yeah, cute. There's a bear.
No, no, no.
You want a dog? There's also monkey and cow.
This is...
Oh, you have this already, right? You want?
See? Yeah.
Yeah, you have this already at home. Oh, look.
No, it's just the different...
You like that now? Not a bear. Why, this is another dog. This is poodle. So you chose that? Ambe. You chose that? Yeah. Okay. That one? Oh, so cute. I like it. Ambe. Alright, happy? Let's go. Ito na lang, mura yung nabili niya, guys. $5 something. Mahal pa rin yan sa Pinas, $2.50 pa rin.
Oh, yeah.
This one is 9? Barney is 9. Is it talking? Not.
Look.
Peppa. Mm. Di want. Yan na, si Doggy na lang. Barney.
Oh, that's one of my favorites.
It's a
Let
baby.
the poop come out.
Yeah. It's gonna poop.
Yeah,
But, that's fine now. What you're holding is good. Some ambe. You want the baby? How much is the baby? Can I see? I think that's not included. Can I see? Wait, I'm gonna read.
$9.
Peppa is 9. This one is not. Let us check.
it's $9.
No, it's not 9. Peppa Pig is $9.
Look, look.
No, I think that's Peppa. Oh. This is Baby Bop, $9. You don't like Baby Bop?
My baby will have a friend.
You get dog. You just check first. Let's check the price. Okay, guys, mag-check lang kami ng price. There.
Hey, we don't know, right?
Baby Bop, I like Baby Bop. Ayan. Ano, okay na yung nabili mo? So, si Brie, nabili niya yan.
Niya naman ng
Baby
babuti,
alive.
compatible eh. Pero hindi pa niya binubuksan. Kasi hindi na pwede nito.
Oo nga. So, nabayaran na kay ate.
Just put it here if you don't know.
Oo. So, yung kay Brie na lang. Okay.
Ha? You cannot play with the, ano naman, in the car eh.
So, magbabayad na kami. Bayaran ko na lang yung kay Brie kasi na bayaran na yung kay ate. Tapos iihi and then let's go. Ay. Okay. Oh, ang ganda ng plants. Oh, konti plants dito. Oh. Mga succulents. Those are the girls. Mga Bilmoco girls. Ayan. So, we're done. What did you buy in Walmart? Her baby alive. Tsaka si ate yung kanyang memory. SD card, I mean.
And I said to my...
So, tuloy na tayo ng Calgary. Hindi na umuulan. Hopefully, wag nang umulan ulit, Lord. Para ma-enjoy naman natin. Okay.
I said to my baby, sorry, and you're having a baby sister.
Yeah. So, she said she bought another baby, but her baby won't get jealous because
turn right.
It's
onto
another
Fifth
baby
Avenue.
sister. Okay. Guys, ayan, may baon kaming peanuts para hindi antokin si daddy. Tignan nyo, 1.13 kilogram siya. And it cost $9.99. So, nasa tabihin mo na 400 plus. Pero ang laki na niya, guys. So, let's open. And look what's inside. Oh. Ang sarap ng amoy. Let's try it. It's good.
Konti, too much na.
No, tama lang. Ay. Gustong mag-snack ni daddy. So, how's your new baby? She already poops? Okay. Wow. Your baby will poop. And then
When we feed her,
in her mouth, and then she will poop. Oh my goodness. You happy? Okay. You say bye to the vlog. Bye. 45 minutes left, guys.
is it a lot?
A little bit lang.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, naiinip na si Madam Auring. Yan, maganda na oh, hindi na maulan dito. Ano na lang, ambon-ambon. Hopefully, okay na dun sa pupuntahan natin. Long drive.
A long drive?
Yes.
Okay, that's taking forever. Mama, long drive takes forever.
Because
That's why you need to take a nap so that when you wake up, you are there.
inipin si
Joking.
baby.
What? No, I'm not joking. Actually, was.
No.
At those guys.
Kaya maraming baka dito.
Aming baka. Ayan guys. 26 minutes na lang. So nandito na kami sa Airdrie. Airdrie. Ayan na may mga residential na
Ang dami bubblegum.
ganda din kayo dito sa Calgary tumira.
Pero mas malamig ang netmon doon. Kaysa dito.
Oo. Dami din lumilipat dito eh. Sa Calgary.
Mga BR na. Pero yung sa atin lumilipat sa Manila BR. Ako na mag-pay, no?
Airdrie in next 2 exits.
Moving like plus with you.
What's this?
Calgary na. Yan. Hello guys. Almost there na kami. 21 minutes left.
And I have bubblegum.
Our baby Brie has her bubble
And
gum.
Mama was doing a challenge with me.
I have a challenge to baby Brie. What's your challenge?
Be mad but laughing.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Did she pass, guys?
No, I didn't. Can I show you?
Like this.
Wait, you're making me laugh.
1, 2, 3.
Stop! You're making... Stop laughing.
the one laughing naman eh. Can you do that, Daddy? Get mad but you're laughing.
Cannot do that.
Ganon.
Look at me.
Oh, galing ah.
Oh, that's my baby monkey.
Okay.